Hi students, coming to the next topic, that is the memory hierarchy in operating system. Now let us see what is the memory hierarchy. Actually, the memory hierarchy can be considered, these are three types of memories: the cache memory, primary memory and the secondary storage memory. So here the primary memory is also, you call it as a main memory. So let me write with pen. So this is a main memory. So it should store currently needed program instructions and data only. So only the currently instructions program instructions and data are stored in main memory. And coming to the secondary memory, so here this stores data and program that are not actively needed. Okay, we are not frequently needed this some data, so that data will be stored in secondary storage. Stores data and program that are not actively needed. Stores data and program that are not actively needed. So that type of information will be stored in the secondary storage. Now coming to the cache memory. A cache memory is extremely high speed when compared to the primary, secondary. The cache memory is extremely high speed, usually located in processor. So it is present inside the processor. So the cache memory is present in processor and mostly commonly used data copied to cache for faster access. So whatever the data that has to be executed, that data will be stored in cache. A processor may access programs and data directly here in the main memory and in the cache memory. So here the present data that has to be accessed will be stored in cache, and the main memory currently instruction and data are stored in primary memory. And the secondary storage, the system must first move programs and data to main memory before a processor may refer them. That complete program will be transferred to the primary memory. The secondary will transfer to the primary memory, and only the current instruction that has to be executed, that will be stored in cache memory. And again the result of the current instruction will be stored in primary memory, and the primary memory will send that complete the executed data to the secondary storage. So this is how the operations will be done. So in the memory hierarchy, while going from down to up, means from bottom to up, the storage access time increases. The access time is increasing. Storage access time. Storage access speed increasing. The speed is increasing when compared to the secondary. The cache is having the more the speed of the cache is more when compared to the secondary. And storage cost per bit is also increasing. So here when the cost is also increasing. Secondary when compared to primary is most cost effective, and the cache is more expensive. And storage capacity decreases. Here this is having the large capacity, okay, and this is the small, and compared to primary, the cache is a very small storage device. So this is very small storage device. So while going from bottom to up, the storage capacity is decreasing. So these are the features of this memory hierarchy. So the main thing you have to be remember that, suppose whatever you have taken, this is the secondary storage. A secondary storage contains complete file. So that file will be transferred to only the primary memory. Okay, so suppose this is the folder. A folder is moved. So in the primary memory, the folder will be moved to the primary memory. Only the file will be transferred to the cache memory, and the executed data, single data will be moved to the register. So like that. So this is how the data will be moved from higher to and finally the CPU will execute the operation. So the secondary storage device contains a folder. That folder will be moved to the primary memory, and the currently executed file that will be stored in the cache, and the cache will takes only the data that has to be executed, the current data that has to be executed, that data will be stored in the register, and from register the CPU will take the data and execute the operation. So again the process will continue like this. So this is about the memory hierarchy. Thank you.